Lucas Reberio has emerged as a dominant force in South African football, yet the 26-year-old remains an unfamiliar name in his native country, Brazil. Signed by Mamelodi Sundowns ahead of the 2023-2024 season, the forward has been a revelation in the Premier Soccer League (PSL), delivering standout performances that have placed him among the league's best. In his debut campaign, Ribeiro found the back of the net 16 times and contributed 6 assists in 37 appearances across all competitions. His influence has only grown in the 2024-2025 season, where he has already tallied 16 goals and 10 assists in just 32 outings. Such statistics have sparked discussions about his international future, with some suggesting that Bafana Bafana should consider him for selection once he qualifies for South African citizenship. However, despite his exploits in Africa, Ribeiro's name barely registers in Brazil's football circles. Former Orlando Pirates midfielder Freitas Camilo, who has strong ties to South African football, highlighted this surprising reality and said what's crazy is that we don't even know Ribeiro Costa here in Brazil. Camilo was speaking to SNL24 and said, I have asked people in football circles, but no one seems to know him. He's not even mentioned anywhere in the media. Camilo attributed this to the highly competitive nature of Brazilian football, where talent is abundant and exports to foreign leagues are commonplace, and said the football landscape in Brazil is like no other in the world because we are the biggest exporters of players. We have players all over the world, some of whom have even switched national teams. He wouldn't have broken through here in Brazil, so moving to Europe at a young age helped him. Despite being overlooked in his homeland, Ribeiro's stock continues to rise in Africa, with Mamelodi Sundowns set to participate in the 2025 FIFA World Cup in the United States. The versatile attacker will have a golden opportunity to showcase his talent on a global stage. A strong performance at the tournament could turn heads in Brazil, forcing his home country to take notice before South Africa seizes the chance to make him their own. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.